What's going on, guys? This is Sy from the Chi back to you again with another how-to video. All right, so this video is going to show you guys how to get your YouTube live chat. Let's say you're streaming and you know how the chat is on the side right there, how to get that chat somewhere on your screen right here. Okay, so let's say you want to upload your video to Facebook or Twitter or something like that. What will upload, it won't upload with this right here. Okay, so people who are going to watch your video, they won't see what people have said. So if you want this to happen, you will have to put it on the actual screen itself. So that's what I'm going to show y'all what to do today. Okay, so actually let me go ahead and just show y'all how it will look when it pops up. Okay, so I'm gonna play this now. Ty, I think, is going to say something right quick. Okay, he says, how are you doing? All right, so what I'm going to show you today, this is going to be, I'll put it over here somewhere. It should pop up in a sec. There we go. Bam, right there. How are you doing? And this way people can see exactly what's going on, know exactly what's going on. Because sometimes I just read off what's said and then I just answer questions. So people who don't see this, you know what I'm saying, don't understand why I'm saying certain things. You know what I'm saying? All right, so how you do this, you're going to need two softwares. You're going to need OBS. Bam, right there. It's Open Broadcasting System or software, something like that. You're going to need that. Okay. And then remember, this is hooked up to your Elgato. Okay. Your Elgato. I'm gonna get some more videos about Elgato and OBS in the future. But I'm just starting with this video because it was the most requested. So you're going to need the OBS. And you're going to need what is called Streamlabs. This is how it looks like right here. Bam. All right. So once you made an account on Streamlabs, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go down here to chat box. Click chat box. And this is what is going to pop up. Your stream should look like this. And it shows you exactly how it's going to look right here. Okay. But what you need to do is take this widget URL. Okay. You copy it. Bam. You copy it right there. I can't show y'all. I can't copy it right now because it's going to show you what it is and it's sensitive information. But you copy it right there. Okay. Now once you copy it, you go over here to your OBS. All right. And right here in this section, you make a scene. In the future, I may tell you guys, if you don't know already, this is the video for people who are kind of familiar with OBS already. But if you're not familiar with OBS and you want me to do a video about that, let me know and I will. But you'll make a scene. I got intros, outros, all types of stuff, y'all. But I'm going to put it on this scene because this is a scene I use mostly when I don't want to use a camera. So I got a scene for no camera. My camera is usually over here somewhere. And I use this scene for that. So once you click the scene you want, you click add in your source for that scene. So you click add right here. And you'll go to browser. So click browser. And it'll come up with a pop-up right here. And the reason you click browser because you getting this URL that's right here is coming from an internet browser. Okay. So you click browser. All right. And you would create new. You would type in chat. Okay. Because that's what you're adding. I already have it right here. So I'm going to click add existing. You see right here. And then I'm going to click chat. Okay. All right. Okay. So once you do that, you go back over here, you'll double click chat and it come up with a box. It'll look just like this. It just come up on the screen like that. And it says, you see where it says URL? That's where you paste what was just copied from over here. Okay. You paste it right there. And you click OK. All right. Then it'll come up with a box on your screen. All you need to do with this box is just put it where you want to have it. Me, I put it, remember it popped up. Let me show you. Over here at the bottom. My chat pops up over here at the bottom. That's because I put it over here at the bottom. But you could put it anywhere on your screen. You can move it up here. You can put it in the middle. You can put it as big. You can enlarge it if you want to make it as big or as small as you want to. But I like mine right here. All right. I'm not streaming right now, so ain't nothing gonna pop up. But I just wanted to show y'all that it does work. And he's still talking. Ty's still talking. You better. That might not be the best place to put it because it'd be all types of stuff that popping up on your screen. But if that would have left, y'all would have seen what he had to say. I might have to move it. But anyway, it works. Let me know what y'all think about it. Make sure y'all like the video. Subscribe, y'all, because that's gonna what make me do more videos. If y'all subscribe, y'all like, and leave some comments. Let me know how y'all like the video. Let me know if y'all want me to do more videos in the future. Talk to me. Let me know. Even send me some photos of how you got your stream going on. All right. I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.